Question number 1. A train is moving at 120 km per hour. The length of the train is 150 meters. How long it will take to cross a platform of length 100 meters? Train is moving at 120 km per hour. Speed equal to 120 km per hour. Length of the train L1 equal to 150 meters. And length of the platform L2 equal to 100 meters. Distance equal to L1 plus L2. Distance covered to cross the platform is equal to the sum of the length of the train and length of the platform. So distance equal to 250. 150 plus 100 equal to 250 meters. Time equal to distance by speed. Formula is time equal to distance by speed. Time equal to 250 meters divided by speed is 120 km per hour. 250 meter divided by 120 into 5 by 18. 5 by 18 is converted to meter per second. 120 km per hour converted to meter per second. 120 into 5 by 18. 6 3 times 6 20 times 120. Meter cancel. 250 into 3 750 divided by 20 into 5 100. 0 0 cancel. Time equal to 75 by 10 equal to 7.5 seconds. Time equal to 7.5 seconds. 7.5 seconds it will take to cross a platform of length 100 meters. Option B. Question number 2. A man rows downstream at 20 km per hour and rows upstream at 15 km per hour. At what speed he can row in still water? Downstream speed equal to 20 km per hour and upstream speed is 15 km per hour. Boat still in a water equal to boat still in water one by 2 into downstream plus upstream or downstream plus upstream by 2. Downstream is 20 plus upstream is 15. 20 plus 15 35 by 2. 35 by 2 equal to 17.5 km per hour. Option A. Question number 3. The difference between length and breadth of a rectangle is 23 meter. If its perimeter is 206 meter, then its area is. So difference equal to 23, length and breadth difference equal to 23, and perimeter 2 times of L plus B equal to 206. So L plus B equal to 103. 2 1 time 2 103 times. L plus B equal to 103 is 1, solving 192. L plus B equal to 103, L minus B equal to 23. Plus B minus B cancel, L plus L 2L equal to 103 plus 23, 126. L equal to 63, and L is substituted to in equation 2. 63 minus B equal to 23 and B equal to 40. Minus B right side and 23 is left side. B equal to 40. Then its area. Area is L into B. Area equal to length into breadth. L equal to 63 multiplied with 40. 63 into 40. 60 plus 3 into 40. 60 into 40. 6 4 times 24, 2 zeros plus 40 into 3, 120. 2520. 2400 plus 120. 2520. Area is 2520 square meters. Area is 2520 square meters. Option A. Question number 4. The ratio of the total amount distributed in all the males and females as salary is 6:5. The ratio of the salary of each male and female is 2:3. Find the ratio of number of males and females. Total salary of male is to total salary of female. Total salary of female. Total salary of male ratio is 6 and total salary of female ratio is 5. Now salary of each male is to salary of each female. Salary of each female. Salary of each male ratio is 2 and salary of each female is 3. And required ratio equal to total salary of male by salary of each male is to total salary of female by salary of each female. Now cross multiplication, 6 into 3 18 is to 5 into 2 10. 2 9 times 18, 2 5 times 10. 9 is to 5. Number of males ratio is 9, number of females ratio is 5. Option D. Question number 5. A car running at a speed of 140 km per hour reached its destination in 2 hours. If the car wants to reach its destination in 1 hour, at what speed it needs to travel? Distance to be covered equal to 140 into 2 hours. 140 km per hour in 2 hours into 2, 280 kilometers. Time equal to 1 hour is given. and required speed equal to distance by time. Distance is 280 kilometer divided by time is 1 hour. So 280 kilometer per hour. Option B. Question number 6. A shopkeeper purchases a table and sells it 4,200 rupees if he incurs a loss of 20%. Find the cost price of the table. %20 loss means 80% selling price. 80% selling price equal to he sells it for 4,200. So 80% equal to 4,200. Cost price of the article 100%. Cost price of the article 100% equal to question mark. 0 cancel. 8% equal to 420. 420. 8 one time. 8 5 times 40. 2 is carry. 8 2 times 16. 4 is carry. 0 added. 8 5 times 40. 1% equal to 52.5. Therefore 10% equal to 525. 100% equal to 5,250. Cost price is 100%. Cost price of the table is 5,250. Option A. Question number 7. Two numbers are in the ratio 15:11. If the HCF of numbers is 13, find the numbers. Let the two numbers is 15x and 11x. Let the two numbers is 15x and 11x. First number is 15x and second number is 11x. HCF equal to x. HCF of numbers is 13. So x equal to 13. 15 into HCF and 11 into HCF. So 15 into 13 is to 11 into 13. 15 into 13, 195. And 11 into 13, 143. Option D. Question number 8. A mother is twice as old as her son. If 20 years ago, the age of the mother was 10 times the age of son, what is the present age of the mother? Let the age of the son is x. Age of son equal to x. Age of the mother equal to 2x. Age of mother equal to 2x. Mother is twice as old as her son. So mother equal to 2x. As per question, 20 years ago, x minus 20. Son is 20 years ago, x minus 20. And mother is 20 years ago, 2x minus 20. 10 into x minus 20. Mother is 10 times the age of the son. So 10 into x minus 20. 10 into x, 10x. Minus 10 into 20, 200 equal to minus 200 equal to 2x minus 20. 8x equal to 180, x equal to 22.5. X equal to 22.5 years. What is the present age of the mother? Mother is 2x. 2 into 22.5 equal to 45 years. 2 into 22.5, 45 years. The present age of the mother is 45 years. Option D. Question number 9. The population of a town is decreasing at the rate of 10% per annum. If the population 2 years ago was 20,000, what is the present population? Population of a town is decreasing at the rate of 10% per annum. Decreasing 10%. So subtract 10 from 100. 20,000 multiplication with 10%. 100 minus 10. First year ago. 100 minus 10, 90 by 100. 100 minus 10, 90 by 100. And second year also same, 90 by 100. 90 by 100 is first year ago, and into 90 by 100 is second year. Denominator 4 zeros, numerator 4 zeros cancel. 2 into 90 into 90. 9 9 times 81, 81 into 2, 162 into 2 zeros, 16,200. Present population is 16,200. Option D. Question number 10. A works twice as fast as B. If B can complete a work in 12 days independently, the number of days in which A and B can together finish the work is. If B can complete a work in 12 days, B equal to 12 days. B can complete 12 days and A can complete 12 by 2 days, because of A works twice as fast as B. So A equal to 12 by 2 days. To 1 time, to 6 times. A equal to 6 days. And A's one day work is 1 by 6 and B's one day work equal to 1 by 12. And A and B one day work equal to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12. Equal to 12 is LCM. 12 is LCM. 6 2 times plus 12 one time. 2 plus 1 by 12. And A plus B one day work equal to 3 by 12 equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is A plus B one day work. Therefore, A and B can together finish the work is 4 days. A and B can together finish the work is 4 days. 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 Option A.